Kingscliff Sales and Rentals property video presentation. This time we're showcasing 4 Terrace Street at Kingscliff. 4 Terrace Street is a 3-bedroom house on a big block of land with a much sought after north-facing backyard. Here's the property here, perfectly positioned, just 300 metres from town, 300 metres from local sporting fields, undergoing a $3 million upgrade, and 2 kilometres into town in Kingscliff. As we go down the street level, this is how it presents from the street. Currently you go into a courtyard. To the front door beyond that a lounge room. Kitchen's been updated. Property's very livable as it is, and it's currently rented. Dining room is here. Main bedroom is at the front of the property. Solid brick construction. Dressing room, ensuite, 2 other bedrooms. The 3rd bedroom overlooks backyard. Bathroom's been updated with bath, separate shower, separate toilet. Garage with laundry at the back of the garage. Rear patio overlooking the massive backyard. As I said earlier, it's a massive block of land, 16.5 metre frontage, 45 metres long. If you want to redevelop, a variety of house plans would suit, otherwise the property is livable as it is. For more details and viewing this property, please call Julian Cleak 0400 617 494. Email him at julian@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more photos on this property, visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au.